The former sheriff's deputy who shot and killed Sonya Massey in her Springfield home last year wants to be released from jail before his trial in the fall. The Illinois Supreme Court heard the case today.
It comes as state lawmakers are set to pass a new law in her honor aimed at reforming law enforcement hiring practices across the state. Charlie DeMar is here with where this case stands. Charlie.
And Joe Nerker, we had an opportunity to speak with Sonya Massey's father earlier tonight. And long before that, now former sheriff's deputy was hired in Sangamon County. He had a questionable disciplinary history and bounced around multiple agencies. This new law would require a more comprehensive look at any officer's past before they can be offered a new badge.
This is someone who acts impulsively.
The Illinois Supreme Court heard arguments both for and against releasing former Sangamon County Sheriff's Deputy Sean Grayson. He's been in jail since last summer after he shot and killed Sonya Massey in her Springfield home.
This guy should have never been given a badge and a gun anyway.
Massey's father, James Wilburn.
It would be fine with me for him to breathe free air when my daughter gets up and walks out of that cemetery.
How would it hurt you? You called us.
Responding to a call about a prowler near her home, Grayson shot and killed Massey as she stood near a pot of boiling water in her kitchen. Before Grayson was hired in Sangamon County, questions about his conduct were well documented by other police agencies he worked for, but somehow never shared with the Sangamon County Sheriff's Office during the hiring process.
We're at the end of 2nd Street. She's taking a right.
Like this chase at his 5th police job where he refused an order to terminate a high-speed chase, only coming to an end when he hit a deer.
It's just sad that we had to have had a tragedy like this with the Sonya Massey murder to realize that we're doing things wrong.
State Rep Cam Buckner introduced legislation that would require police agencies to conduct more thorough background checks before making a hire.
This is an opportunity to have some checks and some balances and some processes to make sure that we don't find ourselves in the same position and situation that we did when Sean Grayson was hired.
Illinois can be the leader in the whole United States in this common sense legislation. I think that my daughter's life, it won't be in vain.
And if the bill passes and is signed by the governor, everything from police disciplinary records, use of force history, psychological exams, and any previous violations of misconduct while working in law enforcement jobs, that would all have to be shared with a prospective employer. Joe Nerka.
Well, that's powerful perspective from her father.
And you can still see how fresh it is for him
Yeah.
going through this. Thank you, Charlie.
Thanks, Charlie.